Hi kids, my name's Nicole and this is Let's Make Art, and you are here for a special Let's Make Art Matter where we are going to learn how to make this beautiful heart.
Aww.
And we're going to do it for a family. This is for the Tiong family. So we'll show you a picture of them. And their youngest son, Bryce, had open heart surgery at 7 days old. So we are going to uplift him and his entire family. How cool that they're a family of all boys. And we're going to be making this card for them. So we have our oil pastels, which I hope you've been loving these. These are such fun things. If you have no idea what they are, I want you to see if you can get some. And you're going to just pick a color, and they're like crayons. But the cool thing is that I'm going to show you how to blend these. So I'm drawing this on the back of my postcard. So if you have a box, grab the postcard and yours will have a stamp on it and the Tiong's address. So do that. Now, if you don't have that, you can also paint anything you want or draw. I'm used to saying painting. You can draw on anything that you want. So you don't have to use the same exact size. But the first step is, can't forget our motto. Almost forgot. So raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
And I am creative.
And I am creative.
Let's do this. Boom. Okay. So first step is anywhere on your paper, I want you to draw a heart. Now to draw a heart, you're going to start in the middle. And actually, if you don't know how to draw a heart, this might help. I'm going to do a dot right here, and do a dot up here, and a dot up here. So it kind of makes kind of a V. And then I'm going to dot down here. So these, I know, look kind of funny. So it's not quite a T.
Looks like a flux capacitor.
I don't know what that is, but okay.
Good.
But we're going to start in this one, and I'm going to go to this first line, but I'm going to draw a curve like that. So it's going to come up. And then from this dot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve or down to that dot. So do you see how we made, it's kind of like a C, but it's a little bit taller up here. And then we're going to do the opposite over here. So I'm going to curve up to this dot, and then I'm going to keep coming around like that. And no heart is actually a perfect shape, especially the human heart is a little bit different.
Even shaped like a heart.
I was going to say, if you look at it, sometimes you're like, wait.
I know, it's crazy looking.
Is that a heart? What we're going to do is you're going to color that in with whatever color you chose for your oil pastel. And then what I want to show you is the fun blending technique. So I colored it in, and I'm going to use my finger as my friend, and I'm just going to push.
Ooh.
So it's blending it in all those little white lines or white spots that I saw. Oh, I'm blending it. So make sure you hold it with one hand, and you're going to blend with the other finger like that. Look at that. Oh, and I kind of even went around, so it kind of made
smooth.
Oh, yeah. So then you're going to pick a different color, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a heart, but I'm going to leave a little bit of white space in between. So I'm actually just going to follow the line that I drew already. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to color that white space in. So we're going to keep repeating these steps. So we're just making this heart that is for Bryce and his family just get bigger and bigger. And you can keep using that blending technique. So I did that, and then I'm going to blend that in. So yeah, it makes it look like a smooth heart.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's fun because my pink kind of blended into the orange a little bit. And if it's easier, you can rotate your paper. That might be easier for you. Yeah, that is a little bit helpful. Ooh, cool.
Cool.
So we're going to keep going and adding this heart. And you know what? This same technique, if you're sitting here being like, Nicole, maybe, can we do this with a circle? Heck yes, you can. You could do it with a star. You could do it with any shape. And it's the same technique. We're just going to keep adding more colors. Oh, look at that. I had orange on my finger. So it made another
Auto
color.
blend.
Yeah. And these oil pastels are super fun. Well, I'm gonna keep, did I do red yet? Nope. Because they blend and they look cool on both black and white paper. So we've been doing both. We've been doing black paper, and this, because our postcard's white, you can see how these colors really pop against the white too. Now, I realized I was talking, but what you saw was this heart went off the paper a little bit, so I just went there and then pretended like the heart kept going, and then I drew a little bit more and then kept going. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. You're gonna keep doing this with me, and we're just gonna keep going and adding a few more layers till we get to the end. But before I do that, I wanna show you, you are the artist. So if you like the way this looks, you could be done. Maybe you write Bryce's name here, or you write thinking of you, or you are strong.
Ooh, yeah.
But you can do that. And then you can go around it. So I'm gonna keep going so you can keep decorating yours with me, and then I'll meet you when we're done. So we finished this, and I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Yours is gonna look unique because each of these are unique. So maybe use different colors, or maybe your heart was a different size. I wanna see, so we have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids Projects, and even an Instagram. So we would love to see, and don't forget, this is for the Tiong family to uplift their youngest son, Bryce, as well as all the kids. I realize that there's 4 of them. So there's 4 boys in their family, so how fun. So if you are watching this Tiong family, we are here supporting you, and we hope you enjoy these warm heart hugs that you'll be receiving from our community. So thank you all for joining and being a part of this. And always remember that you're brave, kind, and so creative, and we'll see you next time. Bye.